how to add a bank account to your PayPal, and how you can link and confirm your bank account manually as well. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek. In today's video, I'll show you how you can add a bank account to your PayPal as well as how you can verify it as well. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Now to add your bank account to PayPal, sign into PayPal app for iOS and Android and tap on the gear icon which you see on the top right hand side. Once you tap on the gear icon here, you want to go to the option called bank and cards, and if it's your first time adding payment, just tap on the blue bar which is at the bottom of the screen which says link a card or bank account. If you've already added one, tap on the small plus sign up at the top instead. Now once you do that, select bank account from two options that appear and authenticate to continue if necessary, and then enter your routing number and your account number. You can find both numbers online in your bank account, and not all bank accounts also contains both number in their mobile app, so you may need to use a desktop site in a browser to get the information. Hit link this bank after adding the right digits at the bottom of the screen and your bank will be linked in a few minutes. However, it does not mean that the bank account is still verified. You have to simply hit the agree button over here. We have added and linked a bank account, but we have not actually verified it. So how to verify our bank account? Now, although you can begin using your bank account to make purchases as soon as you link it, you cannot withdraw money to it. To do so, you must verify your account. Before you agree to allow PayPal to send you two small deposits and one withdrawal. The withdrawal isn't essential for verification purposes, but the rest is used to verify your account. The deposits take anywhere between 2 to 3 business days to appear in your bank statement, so it's not something you can do it in a minute or two. Now to verify your account, again launch the PayPal application. Again, similarly tap on the gear icon on the top right, and here again you want to select the option called banks and cards. Now once you do that, you'll be able to see a list of bank accounts you have added. In order to verify either of these, you'll be able to see the unconfirmed button next to it. Just tap on it and select confirm your bank now at the bottom of the screen, as you could see over here. Once you tap on confirm your bank, enter the amount of the two deposits we made to this particular account, and then just tap on the confirm button at the bottom of the screen. And once you're done, just tap on the done and the confirm button at the bottom, and just like that, you have successfully confirmed your bank account on PayPal. And that's all it takes to add a bank account and link them, as well as also confirm and then verify it. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, make sure to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.